Hi, my name is Reika Katsumata. I'm an assistant professor of polymer science and engineering. Our group aims to design soft-hard interfaces those are extremely confined. The examples of extremely confined system includes ultra-thin films, ultra-thin fibers, or nanocomposites. Why those are important and exciting? Well, when things are getting smaller, the science becomes very different. When you think about larger or bulk materials, the properties are something easy to predict, while we can't quite predict in those tiny systems. And also, as devices get smaller and smaller, the understanding those sciences becomes more important. So our research are relevant to miniaturizing devices, energy applications, as well as aerospace engineering.
I am James Pagaduan, a graduate student from the Katsumata and Emmerich groups, and I am currently in my third year. I think the best word to describe Reika's mentoring style is very nurturing. She makes sure that her students enjoys their research, and for me specifically, I work on developing a method to produce porous materials that can be used for fabricating aerogels because I really love aerospace applications. And secondly, I think that Reika cares about your holistic professional development. We are being trained for like elevator pitch every group meeting, and also we are also like learning about writing papers and statistics and even machine learning. And I really appreciate how Reika sees me as a human being and not just a graduate student, because she actually listens to you and she acknowledges that you also struggle and you're not just a worker in the lab doing science, but you also have emotions.
Hi, I'm Autumn. I'm a second year graduate student in the Katsumata group. I graduated from Smith College and I came from a chemistry background. So moving to this interdisciplinary department was a little bit different, but it was super exciting because I love working with polymers. I joined the Katsumata group, really excited to be with a young faculty member, and basically working with a young faculty member allows you to kind of be a part of the lab building process. So our lab is still kind of in the process of being optimized for each one of our independent research projects, and we have the space to build whatever we need to build and to make our labs truly our own, which I like. Our lab currently has 4 hoods inside the synthesis lab, and then we have a characterization lab where we have the RTA, we have our own optical microscope, and we have our own darkroom that we're currently populating with a lot of UV light sources. So I work with a variety of light-sensitive chemicals, and so I'm developing chemistry and also a few different characterization techniques to study stress relaxation when different polymer films are exposed with light.
So we have a group values that summarizes as posters. And we value both science, but also we want everyone to be a proactive leaders in any field. So check it out. And our group is still new. We started from 2018. Everyone is excited. We have startup-like culture, and bonding is very strong. I'm really happy to see you in our group in the future.